Rolls-Royce, a name synonymous with the opulence and excellence, has captivated the world's elite for over a century. What sets this luxury brand apart? Why is it a status symbol created by celebrities and affluent individuals worldwide? Today we embark on a journey into the world of Rolls-Royce to uncover the secrets behind its allure. Number 1. The origin of Rolls-Royce. The story of Rolls-Royce begins in 1904 in Manchester, England, where two visionaries Charles Rolls and Henry Royce joined forces to create the finest cars in the world. Their first creation, the Rolls-Royce 10 horsepower, set a new standard for automotive engineering, laying the foundation for brand's legacy of excellence and innovation. Since then, Rolls-Royce has become synonymous with luxury, representing success, achievement, and the extraordinary. Number 2. Craftsmanship and customization. What sets Rolls-Royce apart is its unwavering commitment to perfection. Each Rolls-Royce car is meticulously crafted by skilled artisans. From the initial bolt to the final stitch, the brand offers unparalleled customization options, allowing owners to create a bespoke masterpiece tailored to their preferences. Whether it's a refrigerator in the back seat or straight line headliner, Rolls-Royce fulfills every customer's desire with unmatched precision and attention to detail. Number 3. Engineering excellence. At the heart of every Rolls-Royce lies engineering excellence. The company employs top-tier engineers who design engines that are potent, quiet, and exceptionally reliable. From sourcing to manufacturing, Rolls-Royce upholds a tradition of excellence, ensuring that every detail reflects the brand's commitment to perfection. The result is driving experience that is effortless, unmatched in luxury. Number 4. A symbol of success. Owning a Rolls-Royce is more than just a driving experience. It's a statement of success and achievement. It signifies that you have arrived and done so in style. Rolls-Royce represents a lifestyle, a testament to one's success and a symbol of prestige that commands respect and admiration. From royalty to celebrities, the world's elite are drawn to Rolls-Royce from its unparalleled luxury, sophistication, and timeless style. Number 5. A sustainable future. As Rolls-Royce looks ahead to the future, it continues to innovate while preserving its rich heritage. The company vision for sustainability is evident in its latest concept car, the 103EX. This electric variant symbolizes luxury, comfort, and style in a sustainable package. Rolls-Royce aims to reduce its environmental footprint while maintaining the luxury and sophistication that have defined the brand for over a century. In conclusion, Rolls-Royce is more than just a car. It's a captivating story of luxury and craftsmanship from the humble beginnings in Manchester to status a global icon of opulence. Rolls-Royce has remained true to its values of excellence, innovation, and tradition. As the brand continues to push boundaries and redefine luxury for the modern era, one thing remains constant. Rolls-Royce represents the epitome of luxury, prestige, and timeless elegance. What does Rolls-Royce mean to you? Join the conversation and share your thoughts on this iconic brand. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content on luxury. If you are new here, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and amazing videos. Thank you.